Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. We have breaking news from our former president, Bill Clinton.
To the American people, I want you to listen to me. I'm going to say this again. I did not have sexual relations with that woman, Miss Lewinsky.
We have breaking news. We are tracking currently Hurricane Hilary. What, Bill? Bill, you're interrupting me, Bill. Bill, hold on, Bill. Bill, oh my goodness, Bill, hold on, Bill. We're live on air. Oh, okay. Currently, we are tracking the Hurricane Hilary, and we have reports that Monica blew harder than that. Damn, Hilary. You can't even do a simple thing as blow. What, Bill?
Never told anybody to lie, Miss Lewinsky. I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Yes, we are tracking the hurricane currently as we speak now. The winds are blowing everywhere. Oh my goodness, winds is coming out of control. Where are these winds coming from? Oh my goodness, it was Monica. Hold on, we have an interruption, please. Hold on.
Him alone, wouldn't I? I wasn't really sure. The radio address, it was a small group of people. As I went through to shake his hand after and take a picture with him, he said, "Oh, go see Betty. She has something for you."
I guess Monica was talking about blowjob Betty. But anyways, you guys, again, we have breaking news that Hilary has touched down on land. She was trying to track Monica, but she was all over the place. But anyways, you guys, I'll keep you guys in tune on the latest of Hurricane Hilary. She was trying to blow, but Monica blew harder.